that you guys are having a fabulous day. Today's video is gonna be a makeup look and also a New Year's resolution type of video. I'm gonna combine this video, so it might be pretty long. I haven't done a long video in a while, so this should be fun. I think it's worth it because, you know, 2018 and stuff like. If you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and also ring that bell so you guys can get notified when I upload, and also leave a comment. I have like a list in mind that I wanted to accomplish this year. I didn't write them down because I know for the fact in my heart that I know this is what I want to do. Sharing with you guys my 10 thoughts of what I'm gonna be doing and planning for myself for next year. You know, new beginnings, new memories. But just change for the better, and you know, it's better that way because sometimes if we didn't like something this year, we can always change something next year. Number one, my first resolution is lose weight because I've been not like having the best weight of this year. I've been feeling really chubby, like fat and stuff like that. I hope that to go to the gym more often this year.
And number two, to fix my health. And then number three is to watch my eating, eat healthier and no junk food.
And number four is to accomplish my dreams of a career that I love to do and not letting people tell me what to do. Number five is just to love myself more. Number six is basically to be more organized with my things because I always lose a lot of stuff and I want to try to keep them maintained, and you know, the ones that are important, like important things. Sometimes I also lose a lot of important things. Number six is to be more organized with my things, and number seven, to prioritize myself, you know, try to jot down agendas and stuff like that. Number eight is also to accomplish something with my YouTube channel this year. I want to try my hardest this year for my YouTube channel, or something that I want to accomplish. It's like number eight is to do better on my YouTube channel and jot down ahead of time and not last minute. And number nine is to basically travel. I hope that I can travel next year. That's like one of my goals next year, is to travel. 10, I want to move out. That's like one thing I want to get, is to move out of my house, have my own apartment, and have a car. Those are the things that I want to accomplish for my New Year's resolutions. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are doing for your New Year's resolution.
You know that's stuff for her. They suffer a lot. They're sad.
Baby trying curry curry. A little more.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh yeah.
I can
sorry.
never give blame of
Thank
anything
you.
on the table.
Ecuadorian baby trying.
Oh my god.
Kapatid doon ng manugang ko, lang magaganda eh. Ayun na,